Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit our photo using PicsArt for Windows. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for the picsart.com/photo editor. And then you're going to upload your photo to PicsArt. You can select the Browse Files option and choose the photo you want to edit. For example, I'm going to edit wait guys, for example, I'm going to edit this photo. I'm going to click on open. Alright, and just wait for a moment. Okay, and now the photo has been added to the PicsArt project, and we're going to use the editing tools right here guys. For example, if you want to apply effect to your photo, you just need to go to the effect and you can select the effect that you like. For example, I'm gonna go with magic effect. I'm just going to apply this effect to my photo. Okay, just wait for a moment. Alright, and now the effect has been applied. You can also adjust the photo by clicking on this adjust menu, and you will be able to adjust the brightness, the contrast, shadow, and highlight as well. You can also adjust the color, such as saturation, hue, and temperature. And if you want to crop your photo, you can select these three dots, and here you'll be able to crop your photo if you want. You will be able to erase the background of your photo. Actually, you can automatically remove the background of your photo if you have premium account, but this feature is only for premium accounts. So if we want to remove the background of our photo, we can use the erase. But I'm not gonna remove the background of my photo guys, so I'm just going to skip it. Okay, and then here you will be able to add tag, sticker, and also drawing on your photo. Let's say you want to apply text, just go to the text, select add text, and you just need to type in the text that you want. Okay, and I'm going to place it right here. Then you can change the font. Go to the font menu and select the font that you like. Okay guys, and once you're done editing your photo, you can click on export, then you can click on download, and the photo will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit photo using PicsArt for Windows. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!